Hello, welcome. Today we're looking at a solenoid engine that we built here in the garage. If you follow this channel, you know that we did an earlier version of the solenoid engine. This is a new and improved version of the engine. It runs faster, smoother, and quieter. The engine is powered by 4 solenoids. The solenoids push steel pins back and forth in a plastic tube. 2 of the solenoids are used for the upstroke or the power stroke, and 2 are used for the return stroke or the downstroke. The solenoids push the pins back and forth. The pins push on a connecting rod, which then turns a flywheel. The key to getting the engine to run at its best is to set the timing correctly. By this I mean turning the solenoids on and off at exactly the right time. To control the timing, we use an infrared sensor to sense the position of the flywheel. So we attached a piece of cardboard to the flywheel. When the cardboard breaks the beam of the infrared sensor, it sends a signal to send power to the solenoids. Because the cardboard is just attached with a piece of tape, it's easy to reposition it, and in so doing, adjust the timing of the engine. Another thing to consider when setting the timing is how long to apply power to the solenoids. That is controlled with this delay off circuit here. There is a potentiometer in the circuit which we can adjust to adjust the amount of time that power is applied to the solenoids. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the latest version of our solenoid engine.